Hi, welcome back to Raunix. This is Ved Verma from raunixtech services, and today we are going to discuss about our ready to launch application and website like Blinkit. So, if you want to start your own grocery application like Blinkit, then watch the complete video, and at the end of the video you can know how you can easily start your online grocery business like Blinkit. So, let's start the video. Here you can see our latest developed website Green Wow. The website developed using Flutter language and backend is on PHP Laravel with MySQL database. It's a ready-made website, so features and functionality will be same like the demo that we are showing right now. So let's discuss about the features. At the starting of the website, you can find out the top header that contains the feature of dark mode and light mode. Here you can see this is how the dark mode and the light mode feature work in the website. Second part is the language. The website is supported with the multiple language like English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu and all. You can add unlimited language as you want. After that, the main header will contain your logo and the branding of your company name here. Second will be the menu of the application and website that will contain homepage and categories. The categories can be created or can be deleted from the admin panel. You can create unlimited categories like this. After that, the search bar. Here you can search any of the product like this, and you can find all the products available in the website. Here you can see. After that, you can have an option for the wish list, from where you can check all the items that you have wish listed for the upcoming purchase. Next will be the cart option, from where you can check your cart page, and profile page, from where you can log in or register or can check all the products or the profile updated features. And the last option will be the menu, from where you can check your past orders, you can track your orders, profile options, addresses that you have added for the order delivery, consumer support options, coupons and vouchers, notifications, wallet feature, loyalty point feature, contact us, privacy policy, terms and condition, refund policy, cancellation policy, about us and login and registration. Let's return back to the home page. Here you can see below of the header you can find out a banner like this, and you can find out the sliders below the banners. All these banners and the sliders can be controlled from the admin panel, and you can give any link to all these banners like this. After that, you can have a look on the popular categories on the website. Here you can find out all the popular categories. The look and the UI of the website is amazing as per the UI of Blinkit. After that, we have added another banner here for the flash sale. You can create unlimited flash sales from the admin panel, and every flash sale can have different product as per your choice. If you want to check the products at the flash sale, then you can click on the flash sale and it will show you all the available product in the flash sale. After that, you have daily needs products. Daily needs products also can be controlled from the admin panel. You can control which products you want to show in the daily needs. After that, featured item. You can control which items will be the featured and which item will be the normal. After that, most reviewed item. Here you can list out all the items who is mostly bought by the consumers and reviewed by the consumers. After that, all items are there. Here you can see if the items are loaded fully, then you can have a button for see more. When you click on that button, then all other products will be loaded. After that, the footer section will be there with your company branding, newsletter subscription, social media links, and some other copyright contents and the WhatsApp chat features. So, if you want to start your own website like Blinkit for your online grocery business, then our Green Wow website will be the best solution for you. So, what are you waiting for? Contact us, details showing on your screen, and we will see you in next video. Thank you.